Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can make a pulse or screen flash in Geometry Dash. So in this guide we'll use the pulse trigger in order to achieve this effect. Now we are inside our level editor, so basically just click on the build option. In here you then want to select this category, and then we have the pulse trigger. So I'm going to place it this way, but of course if you're using something like a spawn trigger, you can definitely do so. But to make things easier, we'll just use a touch trigger. In here, it's as simple as clicking on the edit object, and then you want to select the color that you want to pulse. In my case, I'm going to select something like white right here. And then basically from there, you have multiple options to choose from. If you want your color fade in to take effect, you can then adjust this. And if you want a brief or fast pulse effect, you then want to change this into something like 1 second. So the color will then pause for only 1 second. Now it's really important to get this right. You just have to click on the channel IV. And from here, we want to simply pulse our background. So just click on the background option, click on OK. And from there, just click on the touch triggered and then multi-trigger. Click on the OK button. And basically, if you then touch this, your screen will then pulse, or it will then flash. Of course, you can put multiple pulse triggers right here if you want to. But since this is only a tutorial, I've then inserted this simple pulse trigger. And so guys, that's how you flash your screen in Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.